In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a link into your document. Whether you're crafting a report, a blog post, or just a personal note, knowing how to seamlessly incorporate links can enhance your work's professional appearance and make it more interactive. So let's dive in and explore how you can easily insert a hyperlink into your text. First things first, you'll want to begin by highlighting the text where you intend to place the link or simply clicking the exact spot where you want the link to appear. This is an important step because clicking a spot will create a single point link, whereas highlighting a section will make the entire phrase a clickable link, which can be particularly useful if you're linking to a piece of relevant information or an external resource. Once you've highlighted your selected text or chosen your spot, navigate to the menu bar at the top of your screen. You'll want to click on Insert and then select Link from the drop-down menu that appears. Alternatively, for those who prefer shortcuts, you can press Ctrl plus K if you're on a Windows computer or CMD plus K on a Mac. Both methods will take you to the same place, and either option works perfectly well depending on your personal preference or routine. Now, a box will appear where you can input the link details. In this box, you're going to paste the URL of the website or document you're linking to. If you have the URL ready, simply copy it and paste it into the designated area. This step is straightforward and ensures that the path you're linking is direct and functional. But what if you're linking to something specific you've stored on Google Drive, like a shared document or a presentation? In this case, you can type in a keyword in the box instead. Google Docs will intuitively suggest matching files from your Google Drive. It's a great feature because it saves time and streamlines the process of linking to frequently used documents, adding an extra layer of convenience to your workflow. Once you've input the necessary URL or selected a suggestion from Google Drive, go ahead and click Apply. This action finalizes the linking process, transforming your selected text into a clickable link. Now, this link allows anyone viewing your document to seamlessly jump to the targeted web page or document with a single click. To give you a quick example, imagine you want to guide someone to Google Docs for additional resources. You'd simply highlight the phrase "Visit Google Docs," go through the steps we've discussed, and bingo, your text becomes an interactive link. And there you have it. That's how you add a link to your text. It's a simple yet powerful tool that enhances the usability and professionalism of your digital content. Thanks for watching, and happy linking!